Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a new whiteboard for your Zoom meetings to show them to your meeting participants during the meeting. So let us get started right away. So what you want to do, guys, is launch the Zoom application on your PC or laptop. And what you want to do after that is launch a new meeting. So let me do that really quickly. Go through a short pre-meeting setup. So let me skip that for the sake of this tutorial by clicking on Start here. And after that, your meeting will be launched instantaneously. So to create the Zoom whiteboard to show that to your participants on screen, simply click on More here and select Whiteboard from the drop-down menu. And after that, launch a new whiteboard by clicking on New Whiteboard there. And the whiteboard will look like that. So what you want to do, guys, is use these customization features and tools here to the left. Like, for instance, you may use a pencil to draw lines, or to create or to make shapes like that, to draw them. You may use also the text tool to leave comments, and so on and so forth. Customize and edit everything using different fonts, colors, and so on and so forth, guys. And that's basically it. And all of your meeting participants will see this on screen live so that you may share your whiteboard presentation with them. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.